Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips so you could get rid of any odors in your car, specifically mouse smells. The first thing to do is to eliminate the source of the smell. Now, if you're looking for mice or rotting food smell, it's pretty simple. Basically, you have to go through your car and find the mouse nests, and mice generally build nests in the engine bay. Look in your engine bay to see if there are any stockpiles of fluffy stuff like material that they've ripped off somewhere in your car, and seeds and just garbage that they might have brought into the car. Now, when you're cleaning it out, I would highly recommend wearing gloves because it could get a little bit gross and the mouse stuff definitely isn't clean, so it could get you sick if you're not careful. So wear gloves, be smart about it, don't be breathing in the contaminants and stuff, but definitely get rid of it in your car. Now, you also want to eliminate the mice, so those can't come back. And I like to use just standard mouse traps armed with like peanut butter or something, and put those at the bottom of your tires, because that's where mice climb up into your car generally, and also in your engine bay or in your car where you find the mouse nests. Now, getting rid of the mice will prevent them from making new nests and help the car smell good in the future after you get the bad mouse smell out. Number 2 on the list is what you want to do after you eliminate the initial source of the smell. So after the mouse nest, the mice, and any rotting food or garbage is taken out of the car, you want to use some sort of spray disinfectant to clean out your vents. Now, to do this, you'll want to find the inlet to your vent system where it actually sucks fresh air into the car, and you'll want to turn on your vent and spray this disinfectant into the inlet. This will suck the stuff through the vents and eliminate any smells and bacteria that is hiding in the vents. While you're doing this, you'll want to turn your vents to every setting, so you want to have it blow on your feet, blow directly at you, blow at the windshield, and any other combination of those settings. You'll also want to do this with the AC on and with the AC off, and you'll want to recirculate air in the car and suck fresh air from outside of the car. This will ensure that you clear out all the vents possible. Once your vents are smelling great, you can move on to step 3. And step 3 is replacing your cabin air filter. Now, I should note that when you're spraying the disinfectant through your vents, it's a good idea to take the cabin air filter out so it's not filtering out that disinfectant that you're spraying through your vents. The reason you'll want to replace your cabin air filter is that the cabin air filter is designed to 1, trap smells that are trying to enter your car, and 2, trap dirt that's trying to enter your car. And once these get old and clog up, they could actually make your car smell when you turn on your vents. When picking out a cabin air filter, it's a good idea to pick one that either has activated carbon or one that is antibacterial and antifungal, because these are the ones that'll help your car smell the best and eliminate odors. The 4th thing to do is by far the most simple on this list. And you probably guessed it, it's simply introducing an air freshener to your car. Now, I like to use Little Trees air fresheners because I think they smell the best, and I just like to hang mine from my rearview mirror. It is important to note that just introducing an air freshener won't make your car smell great though, because just an air freshener itself masks the scent. It doesn't really suck out the odors and prevent them from coming back. Number 5 on the list is something that you may not have to do, but it's important if the scent persists. So after you've done the first 4 steps, if your car is still smelling pretty bad, you might want to get a odor eliminating carpet cleaner and just clean the seats of your car. Now, you're going to want to clean the seats and the carpets, and the reason you'll want to do this is if you had a mouse in your car or something, it could have peed on your seats. Shout out to Jensen Button and Fernando Alonso. But you'll want to get rid of that scent entirely by using some sort of deodorizing cleaner that is specifically meant for pets. So guys, that's it for this video. I've provided links in the description to each one of these products to help you get your interior smelling great. When I first got this car, the interior really smelled horrible, and I really didn't like even being in or around the car. And these 5 steps are what I did to eliminate odors, and now it smells really good and is just a pleasant place to be. With all that said, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to comment any questions you might have below, like this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more. I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.